we will solve some funny questions. This year, 2022 prelims, you might have seen only one pair, two pair, three pair, all four pair kind of questions, you know, where you have no chances of elimination. Am I right? Yes, some kind of the very, very funny questions where UPSC never given an option for you to eliminate. Am I right? Don't even think about elimination. That was the UPSC strategy this time. So anyway, similar way, we will solve some such questions from this module. Okay, match the pair. Consider the following pairs. Ragi Gargi Punjab, cow fertility goddess, Dhulavira UNESCO site, Harappa priest-king statue. The question is, how many pairs given above are not correctly matched? Are not correctly matched. Are not correctly matched. So this is in relation to Indus Valley civilization. Ragi Gargi, you know, Ragi Gargi in Punjab. That is in Haryana. Okay, Ragi Gargi in Haryana. You know, it is not in Punjab. Now you understood that, yeah, that one is wrong. That one is wrong. I mean, the first pair is wrong. You are asked to pick the wrong pairs only. Cow is the fertility goddess. There is not even representation of the cow in the seals. Okay, so there is no chance that they are given any importance to any cultural, religious or ritual importance to cow. Okay, so that pair is also wrong. That pair is also, because nowhere in Indus craft seals there is representation of cow as fertility goddess. Okay, that pair is also wrong. So you know that either two or more than two is wrong. Am I right? Dhulavira UNESCO sites. It's a clear idea because this is the only site from Indus civilization which got this UNESCO site status. Am I right? Only site from Indus civilization. That is correct one. Harappa priest-king statue. Harappa priest-king statue. Do you think it is from Harappa the priest-king statue is identified? It is from Mohenjo-daro. It is from Mohenjo-daro. So, you know the pairs A, B and D, three pairs are wrong here. How many pairs are wrong here? Three pairs are wrong here. They are asking for which of the pairs given above are not correctly matched. So, three pairs are not correctly matched. Your answer has to be C, only three pairs. Am I right? Go for the next one. Consider following pairs: Kalibangan Gagar, Chahudaro Indus, Banavali Luni and Harappa Saraswati. Just in the final slides of our session, we discussed the location of various sites, the state and river side we discussed, river bank we discussed. Kalibangan, you see Gagar, Gagar Hagra river, yes. Chahudaro Indus, yes. Banavali Luni, then Saraswati, okay. Harappa Saraswati, Ravi river, okay. Here they are asking for the correctly matched pairs. How many correctly matched pairs? Okay, even if you don't know Kalibangan and Chahudaro, you know that Banavali is not in Luni and Harappa is not in Saraswati. Within that knowledge itself, I mean, 2 is wrong means 2 is absolutely correct. Am I right? Any chance? No chance. Okay, fine. So here Kalibangan, Gagar. Kalibangan is Gagar. Chahudaro is Indus, then Banavali is not in Luni, and yes, this Harappa is not in Saraswati river. Okay, just identify its geography, where it is located. Now here, your answer has to be only two pairs. Only two pairs. There is next question. Consider following pairs: seals, script, cities, and people. Seals, iron casting. You know, Indus people know the iron casting. Whether we discussed any seals of iron, they produced seals of copper. Yes, copper is there, silver is there, bronze is there, all those things are there. But the most chief material used is steatite, a kind of the soapstone. Okay, so here there is no, this is not an Iron Age civilization. Iron casting, they don't know. Script, Bostofaden, yes. Cities, grid pattern, yes. People, phallic worship, yes. All the three are correct. Asking for not correct one. So the one only is your answer. Am I right? Rest BCD, they are correctly matching. That means A is the not correctly matching pair. Now there is Consider the following pairs regarding interest people. Metallurgy, smelting copper with other metals. Do you think these people know the art of smelting copper with the other metals? Yes, true. Then Mehergad farming culture. Mehergad is one of the oldest, that is oldest settlement, Indus settlement, or I said it is an example for pre-Harappan settlement. So pre and post-Harappan settlements are farming cultures. Am I right? So that is true. Lothal has dockyard. Yes, it is a port city. It has an artificial dockyard. Signboard from Mohenjo-daro. Signboard from Dolavira. Okay. Here they are asking for the correctly matching pairs. What are correctly matching? Eh? Yes, one, two, three. Yes, it's like three pairs are correctly matching. Am I right? Three pairs are correctly matching. Your answer has to be only three pairs. Only three pairs. Only three pairs. Okay.